Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I'm here to tell you a little bit how Google Classroom works when you're in one of my classes. So, my friends, let's get cracking! Alright, so one of the first things I want you to understand is the stream versus classwork. The stream is everything I share, and it's a long list of stuff because I'm always sharing things that you may find interesting, you may not. Classwork is what is assigned. So if there's an assignment in here, those have to be completed by the due date, where the due date for All About Me was yesterday. I will, of course, accept them late. I just need them turned in so that it's easier to move to the next thing that we're going to do. Now, this next lesson, under Essentials, which I'm going to move to the top, so it's always above everything else, has something called the fridge. Now, the fridge is something really neat. When you hit it, it's just a virtual assignment. If you ever make something awesome that you're really proud of, you can add screenshots of it here so that I can check out what you did and we can comment about how epic it is. Now, if you look at this one, you can see that 2 people have turned it in. Let's see what kind of cool stuff we've got. All right, so the first one is by Addie, and she has made the awesome unicorn dude, which is going to be assigned in another day or 2. This is an awesome way to let me know what kind of cool things you're doing. And then you can see over here there can be more than one. If I click on the second one, it's actually a picture of Addie, which is super cool because that way I know who Addie is, especially in this virtual world where I don't get to meet you guys face to face. This is an awesome way to use the fridge assignment, and shout out to Addie for being the first to put it to use. Now, the other assignment is from Kid Harmon. I am Kid Harmon. I've got a special account where I've only got student rights, so that way I can test if the stuff I send you is actually available to you, because you know sometimes things are blocked. So what I turned in was my funny unicorn dude with the crazy scribble hair, and then also a real funny picture of a lesson I did where I made a virtual Mr. Harmon, and I made a silly postcard about spring break and how we all had to do a staycation this year. So this brings me to 2 other things. Of course, you can visit my YouTube channel. It is HLModTech, and there's a ton of stuff here about all the different things I like to do. If you wanted to get into the Tinkercad lessons and just do them on your own, you may or may not ever have them assigned, but if you make something awesome, you can always stick it in the fridge and share it with me. You can also double check HLModTech.com. And I've got some lessons here where I've organized them, like the Tinkercad 10, and then my Master Tinkercad in Minutes lessons that you can just go through and do on your own if you find them interesting. Not assigned, just a way for you to have fun and learn something new at the same time. Lastly, if we go back to Classroom, and I'm going to click up here on the computer's class that I'm showing you now, if you click on People, you will be able to see the other people that are in your class. So my friends, you can use this little email button to actually contact your classmates, make sure they're on the right lessons, doing cool stuff with you, and I'm going to teach you later how to do some sweet collaborating built right into Google Docs, and Google Sheets and all the other Google things that we work with. In wrapping up, friends, the moral of the story is whether you're in Modtech, Flight and Space, or 6th grade computers, you want to understand how the stream, classwork, and people buttons work so that we can all work together and make this online schooling work like it's supposed to. So my friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.